So hi, so this is gonna be my question and answer video. Probably the answers and stuff. So then Colonel Kawhi asked me, what if your mom says stop collecting squishies, what would you say? No, I won't stop collecting squishies because they are so cute and I'm addicted to it. And then ex Miss Kawaii Firex asked me, do you meet up trade? Yes, I do, but for now, no. So yeah. And then she also asked, what do your parents say when you buy squishies? Oh my gosh, why don't you just stop collecting squishies? They are a waste of money and don't be an addict to them. So yeah, and focus on your studies and stuff. So yeah. Then Lovecrafty PNTXO, where did you buy your popping pea? I bought it in a mall near us. I mean a store near us. It's called gifts for Kips, and then yeah. So Miss of 1216 asked me, what is your rarest squishy? It's probably this mooncake, but I'm not sure about the name. Yeah, it makes like air bubbles, and I'm not sure if this is rare, but I don't care if it's rare or not. But for me, it's rare, so yeah, you don't care, guys. Yeah, I'm sure. So yeah, I'm just joking. So yeah, but please don't hate me. And then Chipal Girl 11 asked me, what is your favorite subject and why? Lol, awkward question. So yeah. And then Christian Living Education, cause our teacher there is so kind, and he is like a comedian. So yeah. So yeah, bye. Hope you comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye. I'll sub back.